Mozzarella and tomato salad. Mozzarella and tomato salad. Veggies and greens salad kit. Veggies and greens salad kit. BBQ chicken salad. BBQ chicken salad. Mexican-style corn and quinoa salad. Mexican-style corn and quinoa salad. Broccoli and kale slaw. Broccoli and kale slaw. Mediterranean-style orzo pasta salad. Mediterranean-style orzo pasta salad. Butternut squash quinoa and wheatberry salad. Butternut squash quinoa and wheatberry salad. Kohlrabi Salad Blend. Kohlrabi Salad Blend. ABC+K Slaw. ABC+K Slaw. Tahini, Pepita, and Apricot Slaw Kit. Lemon Basil Pasta Salad. Lemon Basil Pasta Salad. Organic Mediterranean Style Salad Kit. Organic Mediterranean Style Salad Kit.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.